Good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss about introduction to SIM. So here we are going to discuss about introduction as well as the elements of SIM. So first we are going to discuss about what is SIM. SIM is the whatever activity that takes place in the industry, everything it comes under the SIM environment. Okay, like starting from marketing and product design, manufacturing, planning, manufacturing as well as manufacturing control, and again storing as well as inventory control as well as to sell the components. So all the activities it includes into the SIM functions. Okay, so the computer integrated manufacturing encompasses the entire range of product development manufacturing activities with all the function being carried out with the help of dedicated software packages. So and one more thing, so here in the SIM one, so that data has to be created over into the design software, that data has to be transferred into the model manufacturing software without loss of any data we can transfer with the help of this SIM. Okay, so in the uh, SIM, it will be integrate the both manufacturing and design activities with help of the computer systems. Okay, and comes into the next one. The manufacturing engineers are required to achieve the following objectives to competitive global context. Main aim of the manufacturing industry is to reduce the cost of the product, because the product cost will be reduced means more number of people has to be buy the components. That is the main aim. Okay, so first one will be the reduction in inventory. Suppose the inventory will be more in the industry, means what happens in the money flow will be not there, because all the money it will be placed on the components itself. Once the component has to be sell, the people, the industry people, they get the money, so that try to reduce the inventory level. Then lower cost of the product, the cost of the product it will be reduced, then only people to buy the component. Then wastages to be minimized. Okay, the wastages will be more, means what happens, the components uh, cost will be increases, as also low, it will be huge loss to the industry, and accuracy will be more. And also some of the flexibilities, like increase the flexibility in manufacturing to achieve the immediate and rapid response to suppose the product changes, means that has to be accommodate the industry, as well as the production changes that also accommodate, like process change, the flow lines or the machines can able to adopt the new process, and equipment change according to the new variety of product, the equipment has to be changed over there. So these are all the flexibility is there, then only now we can achieve the our product products, or we can achieve our goal to manufacturing the more number of components here. But then comes into the elements of SIM system. There are marketing, product design, planning, purchase, manufacturing, engineering, and factory automation, warehousing, finance, and information management. So here first we start with the marketing. So first the people, the marketing people is going to give the things, like idea that closely related to the customers. They find the customer requirements, those the details they will be going to give into the design people. So and also the marketing people to estimate the manufacturing cost as well as the economic viability of the product. So after making all those things, they'll be send that those details into the design department. The product design people, they are going to create the design for the particular component whatever they received from the marketing people. So with the help of the softwares, CAD software, they are going to model the particular component. So the product people, they having their own knowledge, they are going to design the particular component. then it will be sent to the planning department. Whatever the design they will be received, according to that they are going to plan about the manufacturing activity. Okay, once they will be planned the manufacturing activity, the purchase department they are going to buy the raw material, or they are going to get the component from the suppliers, which are all the components they are going to manufacture, and which are all the components we are going to get from the suppliers. So those things they will be decided. Those good quality of component has to be purchased over here. That is the very much important, and the durability of the component will be more. So those type of component has to be purchased over with help of here the purchase department. Then it will be goes to the manufacturing engineering. The actually the work it will be takes place in the manufacturing engineering. Okay, so that means the production work it will be takes place in the manufacturing engineering. Then comes into the factory automation. So in the factory automation, equipment further enriches the database with the equipment and process data. Okay, so here then comes into the warehousing. The once the component has to be produced, it has to be moved on to the stores, yeah, stores. And there the with the help of AGVs they are going to uh, placed over here. Then comes into the finance deals with the resources and money. So this can be used to discuss with the working cash flow, capital investment, and the cash flow control, realizations, and the receipt, like everything it has to be going to discuss in the finance department. Then comes into the information management. So in the information management system, it will be used very much interest or with help of sim system. It knows all the activities whatever things that will be going on the industry. So from that where the necessity changes has to be takes place, what is the new implement has to be made, and also they'll know that how many components are available in the industry, and how much are sold, how much raw materials are available, how much are in process inventory, like all those details are the information management domain it has to be know. So from that they'll be going to take about the necessary things. So these things about the elements of sim system. Then comes into the next one. This is the symbol. Almost it will becomes also the same thing like the previous one. Sim is the integration of the total manufacturing enterprise by using integrated system and data communication coupled with new managerial philosophies that improve the organizational and personal efficiency. So in this type of sim wheel, it has to be divided into engineering design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control, and factory automations. So like this in the four ways it will be divided. So first we are going to discuss about what is the function of engineering design. So in the engineering design, the design has to be created over here and modeling also done. Then the what are the components of the model that will be analyzed and simulated over here. Then that result has to be documented over here. Then comes into the process, that means the draft copy it has to be sent over there. And the manufacturing planning, the process has to be planning, as well as the process has to be done over here, and quality has to be checked, as well as the facilities. Then comes into the manufacturing control. So like a shop floor control, material control, scheduling control, and ordering and shipping control. These controls has to be takes place. Then comes into the factory automations. So actually the assembling and uh, inspection, as well as the material processing, everything it will be takes place over here. But in the manufacturing planning, usually the documentation work it will be takes place over in the manufacturing planning. That means the process planning, quality planning, facility planning has to be done over here. Here only the work. So once the material has to be completed, it has to be done by the inspection. So after inspection, that means it is going to check about the quality of the product. Then comes into the assembly. The component has to be assembled over here. Then comes into the material handling, means it has to be moved into the inventory, and there it will be stores over here. So these are all the activities that takes place in the industry, in the under the SIM domain.